Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your investment partner here in Istanbul, Turkey, and today we are going to show you a beautiful villa situated here in 𝐂𝐨𝐽𝐿, Istanbul. The total land area of this beautiful villa is 2150 square meter. It's gigantic, and the gross area of this beautiful villa is 1200 square meter. Not only this, but it is having 950 square meter net area. When we talk about the net area, we come to know that it is having 3 floors. On ground floor, you have a beautiful master bedroom and a huge living room, and it is having a kitchen and toilet. When we go through the beautiful stairs to the first floor, we come to know that here you can have 2 master bedrooms and 1 huge gigantic living room. And when we go to the second floor, we come to know that on second floor you are having 4 master bedrooms. One of them is having a beautiful attached toilet jacuzzi inside. Not only this, but it is also having an office and a servant quarter. Not only this, but it is having a beautiful swimming pool and a big garden. There is no one garden, but you are having 2 gardens. And also there is another gardening area where you can plant your trees, your fruits, and vegetables. It is already having a beautiful garden for your evening chai. Not only this, but it is having security control system through the automatic cameras, and it is having a huge generator for your electricity supply. Not only this, but it is having automatic remote controlled main door. The closed car parking, it is having for 2 cars. But for open car parking, maybe you can park 10 cars here. Not only this, but there are a lot of things we need to tell you once you will be visiting this villa. It is having 𝐂𝐨𝐽𝐿 mulkiyati title deed, and it is also suitable for your citizenship. Not only for citizenship, but also for investment and living. If you want to see this beautiful villa, just give us a call on our WhatsApp and we will bring you to show this beautiful villa.